Welcome back to Grammar Fundamentals for the PSAT. This is Chapter 11, Lesson 64. Last time, we capitalized the starts of sentences. Now we'll focus on people, their names, their initials, the titles in front of those names, and even family words like mom and aunt. By the end, you'll know exactly when a word about a person needs a capital letter. Let's start with the simplest rule. A person's name is a proper noun, so you always capitalize it. Take Maria L. Cruz. The first name Maria, the last name Cruz, both get a capital. And notice the middle, that single letter L with a period. That's an initial standing in for a name, so it gets a capital too. Every part of a person's name, including initials, starts with a capital. Next, titles. A title is a word like president, doctor, or aunt. Here's the key rule. When a title comes directly before a person's name, capitalize it. Look, President Adams spoke. President sits right in front of the name Adams, so it's part of that name and takes a capital. Dr. Lee, Aunt Rosa, the same thing. A title leading into a name gets a capital. But watch what happens when the name disappears. We capitalize President Adams. Now take the name away. The president spoke. With no name right after it, president is just an ordinary noun, so it stays lowercase. A title only earns its capital when it leads a name. By itself, or after a word like the, it shrinks back to lowercase. Family words follow the very same logic. A word like mom, dad, or grandpa gets a capital when it's used as a name. Tell mom I'm home. There, mom stands in for her actual name, so it's capitalized. But add a possessive in front, like my, and it turns ordinary. My mom is home. Now mom is just a common noun, so it's lowercase. After my, your, or the, family words stay small. Titles are often shortened, and those short forms get capitals as well. Doctor becomes doctor. Mr. becomes Mr. Senator becomes sen. Each one keeps its capital, because it's still a title leading a name. One more thing to know. When a degree follows a name, like Lena Ruiz, PhD, or Omar Green, MD, capitalize every letter of that abbreviation. And of course, always capitalize the pronoun I. Let's try a few. In this first set, choose whether the word should be capitalized or lowercase. Ask yourself, does it lead a name or stand in for one? Pause and try each one before I answer. We watched blank Reyes address the nation. The word sits directly before the name Reyes, so it's a title leading a name. That means it gets a capital. So the answer is general. Let's ask blank Renee to tell the story. Here, the family word comes right before the name Renee, used as a title. A family word leading a name gets a capital. So the answer is aunt. My sister is studying to become a blank. There's no name after this word, so it isn't a title. It's just an ordinary noun naming a job. So it stays lowercase. So the answer is doctor. Now another set, same idea. Watch for title standing alone, family words after a possessive, and initials inside a name. Pause and try each one. I'm reading about blank Roosevelt. Look at that middle letter, the initial. An initial stands in for part of a person's name, so it's capitalized, just like the rest of the name. So the answer is Franklin D. Roosevelt. Sean has to ask his blank first. The family word comes right after the possessive his. After a possessive like his or my, a family word is just a common noun, so it stays lowercase. So the answer is mom. The candidate lost his race for blank. This word isn't leading a name, and it isn't standing in for one. It just names a position, so it stays lowercase. So the answer is governor. Let's wrap up. Always capitalize a person's name, including the initials that stand for it, like Maria L. Cruz. Capitalize a title when it comes right before a name, like Dr. Lee or President Adams, but leave it lowercase when it stands alone, like the doctor. The same goes for family words. Capitalize mom or aunt when they're used as a name, but not after a possessive, like my mom. And always capitalize the pronoun I. Next time, we'll capitalize the names of places. Great work!